Gulf Air baggage policy, cabin and check-in baggage size, weight, and dimensions. I'm going to tell you Gulf Air's baggage policy, what you can bring, how much it should weigh, and the allowed sizes. For cabin baggage, economy passengers can bring one piece up to 6 kilograms, while Falcon Gold or business class passengers get 2 pieces, each up to 9 kilograms. The max size is 45 by 40 by 30 centimeters per bag. For checked baggage, Economy Light has no free allowance, while Economy Smart and Flex get 1 or 2 bags, usually up to 23 kilograms each. Falcon Gold passengers are allowed 2 bags up to 32 kilograms each. The standard size limit is 158 centimeters total, length plus width plus height per piece. Make sure to check your ticket type. Baggage rules can vary. Go over the limit and you'll pay extra. Keep it within size and weight, and you're good to go.